back to my channel. I'm Aknes. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the fastest and most effective way to face scars, wrinkles, and acne. Before we get into this video, please make sure that you subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell icon so you won't get to miss out on any of my videos. Let's get started. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell icon so you would get notified when next I upload a new video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.